Hey everyone, this is Achilles from Honda for QA Automation, and in this video we are gonna discuss one of the most important topic as of now. Since people have started asking this question in interview, so we should know it actually. And when we talk about the framework designing also, people should know it. I mean, how to make it the framework more robust. So let's get started, guys. The topic here we are going to discuss is how to pass the testNG parameter at the runtime. Okay, so to demonstrate it, I have already created one testNG XML file here, and the second file is I have created one sample test case here, sample test case. Okay, so one testNG XML file where I'm passing the parameter like this way. So generally, I mean, this is the traditional way to pass the parameter, right? testNG parameter in the test case. And if you see here, we are reading that testNG parameter here, right? So whatever the browser value we have written here, it will come here, and based on that browser value, it will launch the browser. If you are passing Chrome in the testNG XML file, Chrome, then it will open the Chrome browser. If you are passing any other browser, let's say Edge browser, so it should open Edge browser. And if you want to add any other browser, you can add it. It's up to you. So let's imagine I have written Chrome here, right? And this is the traditional way to pass the parameter. But here we are going to discuss how to pass this parameter at the runtime. This browser value I'm going to pass at the runtime. How to do this? So in order to do this, what you have to do is it's very simple. Is just write like this. I'm just parameterizing this browser value as well. That's it. Now what you have to do is let's run it from the command line. I mean, in order to make this parameterization, I mean, we have to run this test case from the command line. So let's open it. Let's open this, go to the source code. So this is the source code, right? Where we have this whole code. So let's open the CMD at this path. See, we are at the same path, right? Where we have the source code. Now, in order to run this test case, what you have to do is mvn clean and test, right? Mbn, I mean, in order to run this command, you have to install, you should have the test maven installed in your system. So now what you have to do, I mean, this is the command to run the test case, right? But since we are going to pass the browser parameter from command line, you have to write here one more thing, browser. We are passing the browser value, right? And let's say if you are passing Chrome here, it will open the Chrome browser. See this, the browser Chrome, and Chrome browser is launched now, and that Google application has been open inside, right? So now let me change the browser value now. Let's say if I want to run our test case into Edge browser. Okay, so see the browser value now I'm changing at the runtime. I mean, see here, we haven't hard coded this value in the testNG XML file, right? So if you see this, this is the command which I'm running it, and see the Edge browser has been opened, right? So that's all, guys. I mean, see the Edge browser has been open and everything is working perfectly fine. So what we have learned is how to pass this testNG parameter from the command line, or we can say like how to pass the testNG parameter. I mean, override the testNG parameter at the runtime also. So thank you, guys, and I'll make another video to deal with other scenario. Thank you everyone. Where is that?